We got Fresh the Great on Lightskin Television. Finally, been trying to catch up with you since last year.
Yeah.
Big battle tonight with our Kausion. We in Atlanta on RBE. It's a 1SK, one rounder. Strong shit from both of y'all. How you feel you are performing this week?
Shit, it was solid. I did my shit last minute, so really, I just came to make sure that I put on the show. I didn't fuck up the footage,
Right.
and I ain't choke.
Right.
I felt like I got through my shit clean.
It started smooth.
Yeah.
It had levels where it picked up in the middle, and then you start going ape shit at the end.
Yeah. So
you kind of wish your start was the same as your ending, or would you rather end like that?
Nah, I like to end like that, but I wish I had the same momentum the whole time. Right. I did start off a little slower, but the shit was picking up. Okay. I feel like I ain't have any dry spots. You know, I came and do what I wanted to do.
You did.
The battle was good. It was a good battle.
Very
I feel like, it was a good look, you know, for it to be the first female 1SK on RBE. This is my first time on the platform.
Great platform too.
Appreciate all that
It's smooth
shit.
that it was a private event and you're around your peers basically. And,
yeah.
You know what I mean? It's a little different when you got a 1SK like at Believe Music Hall with 2,000 people. You have raw image about that. It's like Lady Tunes. It's like everyone's still outside because they don't even realize the 1SK battles had started.
Right.
Then they battling when they start hearing the cheers. They come in and your shit over. This is a one round. Whereas here, everyone was locked in. They was able to listen to you, digest everything you said.
Right.
And I'm sure the footage would be great. You know, you got powder on the footage. So I'm pretty sure it'll be a great look, you know what I mean, for your career, you know what I mean? But I'm glad I caught up with you. What'd you think about her performance?
Oh yeah, she was fire. She had some good shit. I liked her shit, you know. I was rocking with it. I always give props when props due.
I like that.
But I'm glad that I had a good battle. I don't like just have a battle where it be one-sided and the shit just don't really be a good battle. Ain't good to watch. I feel like it's gonna be a good playback value and shit like that.
It will. I like your moniker too. I heard you on She Goes Hard. When I was standing behind you, you said, I'm the prettiest. What you say? I'm the prettiest bitch.
Yeah, that's my slogan.
I love it. Everybody's like,
for the pretty people. Yeah. Shout
That's
out to the pretty people.
Definitely. That platform. Is that something you really enjoy? You like that movement?
She Go Hard. Yeah, I fuck with She Go Hard. Big shout out She Go Hard. Heavy on the ES.
I think that's a great look for everyone.
Both my ladies.
And it's fair because the people who's building a name and building their brand, they don't have to feel like they overshadowed by the bigger names. They all mix them in together.
Right,
Everyone get a chance to rock. I like that.
And the cars always be crazy. The crowds always be crazy.
It's not a whole lot of prejudice.
Ain't no bias shit. Just come rap.
You know what I mean? Yeah. And the support there, like the boys from We Go Hard, man, they in the crowd.
That shit fam.
Ladies and everything.
It's an army.
It's an army. It's serious. I think that should be like I told Gwitty it should be the template for all smaller leagues or leagues that do it in a small venue.
Yeah.
You should have that type of crowd where everybody just standing around talking.
The best crowds, the best crowds I've been to. Yeah.
Even when they talking about what's happening right now.
Thanks. We Go Hard crowd's crazy. Like that crowd, shit. Number one. That shit different. That's a different vibe. And you gotta be able to control that shit because you can get swept up in that shit fast with them reacting and shit.
You got something lined up with them in the future, or
coming? I ain't got no date, but of course, I'm always gonna fuck with She Go Hard. I'm trying to be on all the cards. I missed the last one.
I'm sure you want to keep that under wraps for now.
It's coming.
But you satisfied with the op you got coming up, or
shit? I don't even know my op yet.
Really?
I don't know my ops that far in advance.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm always locked in. I don't be knowing my ops that far.
That might be better though.
Yeah, I don't be giving a fuck. To be real, I don't
like
even watch their footage.
You say you don't give a fuck.
I don't be watching their footage. I don't be knowing shit about them. I just come to rap. Like at the end of the day, I just kind of feel like if I don't know what they about, I ain't gonna expect nothing. I ain't gonna expect like if they too good, I might come in there like damn. I feel already like I might have lost, or if I feel like they too weak, I come in there and bullshit.
Right.
So basically, I just come in like shit. I just come to rap better. Like I just come to rap. I'm put on the show and perform that shit.
When you preparing for your op, you know who the op is. Is it? Do you study them a little bit or just enough to? Really?
Nah, I don't study them at all.
What do you mean you don't even?
Nah, I don't.
Nah, for real?
Like, so what I do for the most part, what I do is I ask for the footage, but I don't watch the whole battle. Like, I might watch like the first minute of the
Okay, yeah.
Just to get
familiar. That's what I'm
but
saying.
I don't like. Yeah,
but you don't sit there like.
Nah, I ain't studying that shit. I'm not watching the whole battles. I'm not watching more than one. I'm not getting no information on them. I'm not researching them, cause it's just an out to me. Like I'm a rap regardless, so I don't
feel like what you got written, what you got to perform is what you do.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do regardless. Like whether I do the research or not. Like that's why like a lot of people be having like hit lists of people they want to battle. I never have a name in mind. Like I never have. The person I wanted to battle was only one person I ever wanted to battle. I already battled her.
Who's that?
C3, my favorite female battler.
I already got to battle her.
I fucked with her. Now we fam. Shit, for my ladies. I did what I had to do. So like, I don't really be having like no hit list of people I want to battle. Sometimes in South Carolina because we're competitive with each other there. Yeah, we from SC. We from SC, so like we be competitive within each other, but like I don't be having like necessarily having somebody lined up who I want to battle and shit. I'm with I'll take anybody really.
You touched Carolina Premier and Bulldog.
Not Carolina Premier, but Bulldog, yeah.
Okay, that's what's up. So, as far as music, you got stuff you putting out or stuff that's out? Or,
So I don't really record. I just really primarily battle rap.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so I don't record. I used to record, but I haven't really recorded anything like in the last 2 years and shit.
And you're a throwback competitor because if you really think about it, this format in the last 20 years, you're able to prepare for an opponent. You get paid probably up front, you know what I mean, a back end. Then it's like you just got to have some raps and like, yo, this motherfucker want to battle. It's like, okay, shit, bring them on. Like you said, you didn't have to prepare for them. You just know what you can do.
That's what
you still in that old school mentality, which makes more of a killer right there.
I just becoming a rap. Like I don't be giving a damn. Like I mean, if I like me knowing their name and maybe hearing a couple of shit that they said, like that's enough for me
to get familiar.
Yeah, that's enough.
You should know what they look like. And,
yeah,
you know what I mean. Yeah, but you ain't sitting there trying to fall in love with their bars.
Yeah, no, I don't give a fuck about that. I don't care. Yeah, I don't give a fuck about that.
I respect the shit out of that. Definitely. We got Fresh to Great. We're looking forward to more things from giving your social media, everything.
Shit, I'm on Instagram, That's Fresh, Twitter, 4ML Fresh. Follow me on both of them shits. I post all my battles and share where I'm at on both of those sites.
We look forward to, before we leave, what you think about the Chrome 23 card coming up Sunday?
But that shit gonna be fire. I'm mad that I can't go. I ain't getting no invitation. I ain't up there like that yet. You in there? Yeah, I ain't up there like that. They don't know me. They don't know me good enough. I got to get known because I'm trying to go to that shit.
Well, you know, she says she's doing 4 events, so you never know. You might be on one of these 4.
Yeah, that's the goal. That's the goal. Of course, that's the goal.
Hitting Queen of the Ring next month. Next month.
Yeah, March.
26.
Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, I'm be up there.
Nice call.
Fast. I'm definitely in the building.
Definitely. Can't wait to see you up there. Can't wait to see your next battle that you ain't going to divulge right now. Don't blame you, know what I mean? Keep it under the hat for now.
Yes,
but
I got some shit coming. I'll post about it.
All right, Fresh to Great. We're looking forward to you on Lightskin Television. Appreciate you.
Yo.